If you watch this video until the end, you will be ahead of 99% of people trying to make AI videos today. I will show you exactly how I created my submission for the Akool video contest with a prize pool of $300,000. So let's have a look at my submission first.
Yes.
Are you pussies gonna pay for that?
The fuck did this old daughter just say?
You heard me, little pussy. Are you gonna pay for that?
And what if we don't?
Fuck around and find out.
Let's get out of here.
Alright, let's have a look at how I created this video. I'm gonna tell you exactly how I created everything from scratch. I'm gonna tell you how I made audio, how I created all these characters, all these scenes and everything. So you got everything in one video. Now the first thing what we need to do is we need to write a script. Then we're gonna generate character sheets. Then we're gonna generate a storyboard. And last but not least, we're gonna generate the videos. And all that together will be our film, right? So you will be able to create exactly the same film or your own idea. Now let's start with the script. The script needs to be your own idea, right? So what I did was I actually wrote a really simple script. Now let's have a look at my script. So what I did was I just wrote 11 scenes for my script. The first scene was a grandpa walks into a grocery store. That's it. Then we have scene 2. Grandpa sees young dogs opening a beer bottle, making loud noises and laughing in the grocery store and drinking before even paying for it. And all these scenes that you just saw in the video is written in this script. Now, you write a simple script of your idea. It doesn't have to be really complicated. Just write it as simple as I did. Once you have your script ready, it's time to think of characters for your film. So in my film, I only have 4 characters. That is Grandpa and the 3 young dogs that are making loud noises. And these characters are pretty easy to make because you're going to use AI to generate how they look. And the only thing you have to do is to explain how they look. So let's go inside Akool and I'm going to scroll down until I find image generator. Let's click on that one. Now to give you an idea how I generated my characters, let me show you the prompt. Let's say this is my character. Let's open this up and let's have a look at the prompt. My prompt is create a realistic character sheet of a 80-year-old grandpa, face view and full body view from 3 different angles. It should look like a real photo. And then you get something like this. So after I had these characters for my film, I just gave them a name and that's pretty much it. So I had 4 characters done. So the next step, what you need to do is you need to make a storyboard. With a storyboard, it's pretty good to visualize how your video actually will look. So what I did was I went to Cloud and I uploaded my character sheets and my script. And I told Cloud, I want to make a storyboard with this script and these characters. I want you to think of prompts that I can use to make a storyboard. And then I get all these prompts from Cloud that I can use to generate a storyboard. So basically he's just adjusting the scenes to make sure all your characters are correctly inside your script. And with this new script, I went back to Akool to generate a storyboard. So I went to the image generator again, make sure it's text to image, and I wrote create a realistic storyboard with 13 scenes with the characters. Here I attach my characters as images as the characters in the storyboard. Keep consistent lighting, location and color grade across all the scenes so it flows like a movie. Here are the scenes, and then I paste the scenes underneath it. And that's it. And then I got my storyboard. And as you noticed, I got a lot of different storyboards. I generated a couple of times and some of these didn't look right. So I had to regenerate them until I got something that I liked. So at this point, I have a script ready. I have my character sheets ready and I have my storyboard ready. So I have all the ingredients to make a film about it. To make this film, let's go back to Akool and I'm going to go to image to video. In image to video, you want to make sure you select Seedance 2.5 because for the contest, you need to use 2.5. I actually used accidentally Seedance 2 before, so I made a mistake about that and then I had to regenerate this. So make sure you select Seedance 2.5. Then you need to attach your characters and your storyboard. So I just attach everything as reference images as you notice here. Then let's go to the prompt and let's go to the first line and I just tell it use storyboard image 1. This is the image of the storyboard as a guideline for the movie and use characters, attach all the images of the characters as the characters of the film across all scenes. Here is the script of the film, and then you paste your script here. And as you notice here, I have all these scenes written in this script. If you remember in the beginning of this video, I made a really simple script. Now, if you want to make your script a little bit better, just tell ChatGPT or Cloud, make my script a little bit better for video generations, and it's gonna make your script better. So basically it's the same script, but just a little bit better with some explanations of how each shot should look like, right? So that's just something you can use. I didn't change anything here. I just went with 720p. And for the resolution, I got 9:16, and I just generated this. Here you can select how much videos do you want to generate. And the best thing obviously is to generate as much as possible to pick the best one. In the beginning, I accidentally made a mistake of generating 16 videos with Seedance 2. And later I noticed I need to use Seedance 2.5, right? So don't make that mistake. Be careful because it's gonna save you credits. And that's pretty much it. That's how I made this film. If you want to participate in the contest, check the link in the description of the video. I will put the link there to Akool. There you can check it out yourself and try your own idea. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you learned something and enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of these videos in the future. And I'll catch you on the next video.